Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Shobik De from Shobik's Biology. Today I will describe the glycolysis procedure in our body. So at first we have to know the meaning of glycolysis. What is glycolysis? Glycolysis means Greek word glykas meaning sweet and lysis meaning splitting. So here glucose is considered as a sweet and is splitted and form two molecule of pyruvic acid. And glycolysis procedure is occurred mainly the cytosol in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Okay, and the scientist Emden and Mayerov first observed this procedure. So the according their name, this pathway is named as also Emden-Mayerov pathway. Okay, now I am starting this pathway. At first, glucose is splitted and form glucose 6 phosphate. So glucose 6 phosphate is formed at the first step from glucose, and one molecule ATP is used and ADP is produced, and the enzyme helped in this step mainly hexokinase. The other name of this enzyme is glucokinase or hexokinase D, and the activator is used as magnesium ion Mg plus 2. And the second step is glucose 6 from glucose 6 phosphate fructose 6 phosphate is produced. This is the second step by the help of enzyme phosphoglucoisomerase. And the third step, fructose 1,6 bisphosphate is produced from fructose 6 phosphate by the help of PFK or phosphofructokinase, and magnesium ion is also helped as a activator. In this step ATP is also used. And the fourth step is fructose 1,6 phosphate produced glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate by the help of enzyme aldolase, and zinc or Zn plus 2 ion is used as a activator. And the fifth step, dihydroxyacetone phosphate and 1,3-bis phosphoglycerate is produced from glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate by the help of enzyme triose phosphate isomerase. So from glucose to dihydroxyacetone phosphate and 1,3-bis glucose to dihydroxyacetone phosphate or DHAP, these steps are the preparatory phase or energy investment phase of glycolysis. After that, the payoff phase or energy generation phase has been started in glycolysis. So next, 3-phosphoglycerate is produced from 1,3-bis phosphoglyceric acid, and 2 molecule of ATP is also produced, and the enzyme helped in this process is phosphoglycerate kinase. Next, 2-phosphoglycerate is produced from 3-phosphoglycerate by the help of enzyme phosphoglycerate mutase. After that, the ninth step, 2-phosphoenol pyruvate is produced from 2-phosphoglycerate by the help of enzyme enolase, and Mg plus 2 and Mn plus 2 is also helped as a activator. And the last step or 10th step is 2 molecule of pyruvate is produced from phosphoenol pyruvate by the help of enzyme pyruvate kinase. So these are the 10 steps of glycolysis. We have remembered that among these 10 steps, step 1, step 3 and step 10 are irreversible and the remaining ones are reversible. Okay, so in this pathway there are 4 inhibitors are used. I mean 4 inhibitors can work. Where they work? At first, from fructose 1,6 bisphosphate from fructose 6 phosphate, citrate can use as a inhibitor, and it inhibits the function of phosphofructokinase. After that, iodoacetate used as a inhibitor. It inhibits the action of glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate dehydrogenase, which helps glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate to produce 1,3-bis phosphoglyceric acid. How it is worked? Iodoacetate mainly bind the SH or sulfur bond of the cysteine residue of glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate dehydrogenase and inhibits it. Next, the inhibitor is fluoride. Fluoride inhibits the function of enolase, which helps to produce phosphoenol pyruvate from 2-phosphoglycerate, and the last inhibitor's name is acetyl CoA, which inhibit the function of pyruvate kinase from pyruvic acid production. Okay, total 8 ATP is produced from glycolysis. Okay, what the 8 ATP? We have to know also the calculation of ATP. At the first step, from glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, 1 molecule ATP is used, and the third step, 1 molecule ATP is used, and next the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to 1,3-bis phosphoglyceric acid, 6 ATP has been produced from 2 NADH. If 1 NADH is oxidized, can form 3 ATP. If 2 NADH can oxidize and form 2 into 3, 6 ATP. So hence 6 ATP are produced, and next 1,3-bis phosphate to 3-phosphoglycerate, also 2 ATP can produce, and the last phosphoenol pyruvate to pyruvate, 2 ATP is produced. So 10 ATP are produced and 2 ATP are used. So 10 minus 2, 8 ATP are produced from glycolysis. And one more important thing is you should know the difference when the prefix bis, like fructose bisphosphate, 1,3-bis phosphoglyceric acid, this bis, and di, prefix di used. Prefix bis in bisphosphate means that 2 separate monophosphate groups are present, and prefix di means 2 phosphate groups are present and are connected by an anhydride bond. So these are the mainly basic difference between the prefix bis and prefix di. Okay, that's it. This is the whole procedure of glycolysis. Hope you enjoy this video. So hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for getting new videos. Thank you.